Welcome back in another tutorial of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous tutorials we saw how to convert the BGR color format into different color formats such as HSV, grayscale, RGB, etc. We know that any color is a combination of three colors. They are called primary colors and they are blue, green and red. Individually they are termed as channels. So in today's tutorial we will try to split the channels from their combination part. So I'm taking one image here, and what we'll do, we'll copy paste this will be the image that we are going to read, and then we are going to split the three channels from this colored image. So I'm taking three variables BGR, and for splitting OpenCV provide us with a function called split. So let me write it here, split, in which I'll pass the variable name of the image source file. So org_img, and that's it. Now this split function works similarly like the split function we use in Python. And then we are going to display the output. So I'll be displaying four outputs. The first one will be the original image, and that will be getting from org_img. And then we need to display the channels. So I am show again. The first thing we are going to display is blue channel. So I'm writing here blue channel, and from where I'll get this blue channel? From the B variable, and the B variable will get it output from the original image via split function. Now let's copy paste it two times for green and red also. Control V, Control V. Let's rename the blue to green. Okay, and this B to G, and this blue to red, and R. That's it. And one more function we need to stop the output to the screen so that we can see it for infinite amount of time. We have seen this wait key function before. Now let's run it using Control F5 and see what the output looks like, how the individual channels look. Okay, so this is red, this is green, and this is blue, and this is original image. Now if you look, this was not we expected. We expected the images to look like red, look like blue, look like green. But what we are getting the shades of black and white only, some but lighter, some darker. Now the lighter one shows that the number of ones present are high. The darker shows that number of zeros presents are high. And this is the fact. Let's check it on some other image also. Let's see what if we get something different in some other image. Let's change the image file to Lena and see how output looks like. Let me run this. Okay, nothing different. Again the shades of black and white only, darker and lighter. This is because if you want to see the images in red, green or blue, then you have to subtract the other two images, other two colors from the color which you want to see, and this thing we will be seeing in the coming lectures. For the time being, I hope you understand that the channels red, green and blue do not look red, green and blue. They are just only black and white. For the time being, thank you, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.